Look at this place. Looks really nice. So yeah, it was really a great time being out here. Wish I could come back. So this one will be a 767-400 ER. Completely different from the one I came. This one looks more up to date. I'll put my seat on the bed style. See, it looks. Oh my god. Not all the way down. I should put on my Crocs. That would be better. I should take out my shoes and put them on the side. I should put my Crocs on my carry-on. But I left them on the check-in bag, so I don't have it. So just gonna have to ride this whole 5 hours like this. Oh well.
Above the clouds and below the wings, we're pushing forward. Behind the scenes, each of us connecting you.
The road's a little rough. Everything's jumping up and down. But flight tracker says 5 hours and 30 minutes, 5 hours 29 minutes, same thing. And they have like 317 movies, 500 CVs, and audio. I guess that's music. Wow, we can see where we're at. That's so cool. How's that? Oh my god, this is way better. The last one, I couldn't even move anything. You know, I have to record the takeoff. I can't believe that I was gonna skip that. We're in a standstill right now. But let's see what movie I could watch. I want to see The Quiet Place. But I don't know. Do I really want to be scared up here already in the airplane? A scary movie? No. Oh my god, talking about scary movies. They have The Exorcist. What? That's crazy. There's no way I'm gonna watch that. No way. I'm gonna be awake the whole flight. Not today. I might just see Jurassic World because I had never seen it. I need to catch up. I need to catch up with that. Ooh, the Internals. I haven't seen the Internals. It's pretty good. Gotta have a whole list of Harry Potter. That's so cool. Harry Potter fans. Jurassic World. Yes. They have these headphones too. Goodbye, beautiful New York. Home sweet home. Finally landed. We're gonna get our bags. Oh, my bag. It's like 12 in the morning. Alright, so we got our clean. We got our bag. It was pretty fast. I gotta go to the restroom, and when I came, I was already there. A lot faster than JFK. Maybe just time difference. We might, since we're like the only ones here. But I don't wanna go outside. Sergio, taking forever. Yeah, I'm just staying here for a while. So they text me to go outside. Oh no, they could open. Not that cold outside, so I'm gonna just go outside and wait. Pretty different. I don't have to worry about being cold out here. I have to look for Sergio. Hope they can find me. I don't even know where I'm at. I just know Terminal 3. I like start waving at them. Bro, what I do to Sergio? That was Sergio's. They have the exact same car. Not him. Damn it. Damn, I thought it was him. I thought it was her. But it ain't. Well, the night's almost at the end. Really had fun. First time. Oh no, come on. No. Look at this. Came over their space.